Yo, what's up guys? It's Pyose, the CryptoPy, and today we're going to be talking about the market, guys. Just a quick market update, and especially, of course, we're going to cover Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will tell us what the market's doing, right? But first, let's take a look at the market cap. So we're at 395 billion, guys. 394 now when I refresh. So it's going down still, right? But we see that in the start it went down a lot, right? You see here, and then this one is less, and this one's even less of a down. So it's getting less, okay, guys? That's what I can see here, just from looking at this 1 month here. But obviously that's not really that much in detail, right? So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart itself, and well, you know, I counted all my waves here. Obviously, all the old waves are there, and then this is my area, right? And you can see we got into that buying area. Now if you are in fiat or in US dollar tether, you know, I wouldn't be afraid to buy here at all, guys, because look at all the support on the left side. Okay, just look at that, guys. All right, that's looking good, right? Also we're in a falling wedge, right? So a descending wedge like that, a falling wedge, it's a bullish sign, as crazy as it sounds. That is because the low is, you know, it's getting basically less steep of a fall all the time, right? Well, the top of it is steeper and steeper. That's why it's a falling wedge. So it's easier to break out on the upside at some point, but it can definitely happen all the way here. So at like 7 or something, or even, you know, I put my 0.5 all the way here just because, right? That's still fine, and that can definitely happen, guys. So, and also, if you see the 1 2 3 4 5, the 5th wave down, sometimes it just extends a long time. That's why this might be a little bit exaggerated, right? But it can also be somewhere here, or whatever have you. And this can definitely happen as well, right? So just like that. Just need to always make sure that our 3rd wave is the longest, right? And that is kind of a problem here, because if we look at the 1st wave down, what was this, guys? 45%. It was a drop of 77, right? So 45%, and then this drop is 39%. So that doesn't really it's a bit weird, but oh well, I guess it breaks the rule. I don't know what to say there, but we'll have to see what it does. Maybe I'm not that knowledgeable, right, guys, in Elliott Wave yet, as some other people. I definitely, like I said in my previous video, I recommend you watch people like Villac1 as well, and also Hedjin Lee, but you know, definitely big inspirations for me. But obviously, you know, we're all learning, and by just trading, guys, that is how you learn, right? You just need to execute, because the biggest thing of trading, to me, is emotional, right? Emotionality. Like, if you get emotional or not in a trade, that's really important. You just gotta follow your plan. So especially if you start day trading, or even with swing trading, guys, you cannot panic, right? It's all about keeping those emotions into control. And so obviously, if this falling wedge would fall through, you go short, right? Simple. That's just how you should see it, guys. All right. So you just do what the market tells you to. All right. You cannot be forever bull. You know, I'm trying to be a forever bull, but it just doesn't work. So that's just how it is, guys. Right? That's just how it is. And this 4 is obviously not 4, right? I don't think so. I think we need to go up here some time again. I don't know when, but right now, not yet. But this to me seems like a weak 4, and the 4 needs to be somewhere here. So that's why I'm adjusting it, right? So that's just looking at the 4-hour, guys. Let's take a look at the daily. How did we open the day? We opening the day bearish, red. Okay, so Where can it go? Hopefully it gets us that last wave, right? To 7.3, 7.4, something like that. Or even lower to the sixes. I don't know, man, but it can get nasty, guys. It can definitely get nasty. But I kind of still want to see a 4, guys. This can't be the 4, right? It'll be a silly 4. But who knows? Who knows? I just think we need to still go up here. But for now, you know, I gotta play the chart. So the 4 right now is here, right? It is how it is, guys, and you know I cannot change anything about that. What we see. So the C wave is nearly done, though, guys. But after that, it's a big decision, right? After that, it's a big decision where we're going. Also, this long trend line. It doesn't matter if we break it, guys. If we break it, whatever. You know, it's possible that we break it, right? That's whatever. Then it will just wick back up or something, or it will go back up. You know, trends sometimes break and then just go back up. So I believe a lot more into the Elliott waves than in trend lines. You know, trend lines, they're nice, but you definitely need a 5th wave, and that's what we're doing right now. Either this gonna be the 5th wave, or we're gonna have the 5th wave later if we first go up here. So guys, that's just a quick update I want to give you guys on Bitcoin. That's how I see it. So 4 hour, like we looked at it before, 6 hour, right? But also let's take a look at RSI here. We're getting, so let's start with like the hourly, right? The RSI was oversold here, that's why we had this little bounce. But you can see it didn't bounce much, right? That tells me we're still weak. We're still weak, guys. So I want to see this oversold again, probably around this territory, right? 21, because we were there before, and even then we didn't get a great bounce, nothing much really. So 2 hours, we're not oversold yet. 3 hours, not oversold yet. 4 hours, not yet. 6 hours, not yet. 12 hours, not yet, but all nearly, you see, guys. So we're near the end, okay? We're near the end of at least a bounce. I'm not saying we're going back bullish, no, definitely not. All right, but we could potentially get a bounce back up here, guys, to $13,000. Who would say you'd be happy with a $13,000 Bitcoin right now, right? Right now you are, but when we were at 13K, everyone was like, oh no, we're gonna bounce back up higher, right? When we were around 13K, we wanted to bounce back up to 16s and sell there, right? So guys, when we do hit this again and we do not break through, we see a bearish ending candle on a higher time frame, don't, like, just take some profits, guys, alright? Because we don't know if the bear is actually gonna last or not. Because this could potentially just go back up, and then we have to reconsider the situation and see if we need to take profit or not. If we do, we have to take profit. And you can always keep some Bitcoin, guys. Just keep some Bitcoin so you can short the market too on BitMax. BitMax is in the link in the description below. You can check it out. It's basically you can short with Bitcoin to make more Bitcoin, or you can go long on Bitcoin to make more Bitcoin, etc. It's on margin, so it's risky. So I definitely tell you guys, first Google testnet of BitMax and try out that testnet on like a test account, right? I might actually just put in the link as well for the testnet. Yeah, I'll probably do that so you guys can check that out as well, because I don't want you guys to lose money. So, because if you do margin trades, guys, you better be careful with your stops, right? You need to put stops, and just if you get stopped out, that's it. Because otherwise you will get underwater and it's not fun. Alright, so that's basically just my update on Bitcoin, guys. I think we're in the we're either now in the 5th wave, or we still need to go finish the 4th and then make the 5th. Alright, and then eventually guys, we will go back up here. So that is how I see it, right? Very simple. Just keep extending this line. And obviously the lower we get, the lower the bounce will be, right? because that's where the trend line is. If this breaks, guys, if this trend line breaks, this up here, let's make it a different color. Let's make it we'll make this the red color, right? So we'll keep this here, and if we break this red line here, guys, then we're bullish. All right, then we're officially bullish. So right now we're still bearish. We just gotta play the trend. So, you know, that's pretty much what I have to say, guys. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where we talk among each other, where you can ask me any questions or ask anyone else any questions. There's some knowledgeable people in here. And also join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, where I keep you guys up to date about upcoming ICOs that I'm personally interested in. I missed some of them. Some of them I do go in. For example, ArcBlock, I didn't go in, guys. Just a quick update on ArcBlock. I didn't go in there because when I wanted to send money, I always check, right? I go to Etherscan, I go to Explorer, and I check whether there's a smart contract. If I don't see a smart contract, that's a red flag to me, okay? That's how I am. That's just a big red flag to me. And, you know, you have to consider yourself what is a red flag to you. But, you know, if you're too lazy to have a smart contract ready, and I know they made a video saying like, oh yeah, we don't have a smart contract because we want you guys to send all to individual addresses. To me, that's shady business, alright? So I don't participate in that, but who knows, ArcBlock could still be alright. And, you know, so, because I really enjoyed the project, right? That's why I have a video about them as well. But, guys, the way that's gone, no. That's just a big no-no from me. So that's just a quick update on ArcBlock, guys. So yeah, both Telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.